Hello and welcome to your ideal space. My name is Latifa Tago and today I'll be showing you this fabulous villa located off Eastern Bypass. So come with me. So right from the entrance we have this amazing spacious living room space which has floor-to-ceiling windows to bring in enough lighting. A 7-seater can fit here very well, and you can put your coffee table here and your TV unit right here. Adjacent to the living room, we have this well-defined dining area that can fit a 6-seater dining table and even a buffet there. Then we have this seats you can put here for, you know, relaxing and having a glass of wine maybe. So that's it for the dining room and the living room. Very spacious and very defined, well lit floor to ceiling windows, and comes with a gypsum. So as you can see, the living room space and the dining area is very well lit. We have the floor to ceiling windows, and the floor looks wooden, but it's not, it's actually tiles. And the space is enough for all your furniture. So moving on, we have this pathway area where you can put your console table or decorate it as you like, yes? Come, let me show you the kitchen. So right here we have this spacious and beautiful kitchen with enough storage for your foodstuffs, your utensils, and it comes with a fitted cooker, oven, and an extractor. Then it has a double sink for when you're doing your cleaning. And the best part about this kitchen is you can finish cooking and serve your meals right here to the dining area. So right from the kitchen, we have the first bedroom right here, which can act as a guest bedroom, or it can even act as an office, okay? So we are done with the ground level. Let's get to the first floor and the second floor, the most exciting part. So right up this grand staircase, we have the entertainment room and the family room and the rest of the bedrooms. Follow me. So that's it for this room. Moving on to the kids' bedroom. So this is the first bedroom, which can act as the boys' room, and this is the second one, which can act as the girls' room. Now moving on to the most exciting part, the master bedroom. Look at how big and fabulous it is. So moving on, this is the last floor of this beautiful villa where you can put your events and it can fit up to 50 guests. So that's it for this amazing villa. For this and more, follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Chams Consultant. This is your ideal space with Latifa Tago. Bye.